Transform your video ideas into stunning visuals in minutes with Capcut PC templates. Welcome to a quick and easy guide on mastering Capcut's powerful templates right on your PC. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have Capcut installed and open on your computer. Look for the Templates button, usually located on the left-hand side of your main interface. Click on that. Now you're in the template library. Capcut offers a huge variety of predefined templates for every occasion, from social media clips and vlogs to presentations and promotions. You can scroll through to explore or use the search bar at the top to find something specific. Let's say you're making a travel vlog. Type travel vlog into the search bar and hit enter. See how the results instantly update with relevant options. Find a template that catches your eye and click on it. You'll get a preview of how it looks and what kind of footage it's designed for. If you like it, simply click the Use Template button. Great! The template is now loaded into your editing timeline. You'll see it's structured with placeholder clips, text, and animations. Your next step is to replace these placeholders with your own photos and videos. Click on the first placeholder in the timeline. A window will pop up asking you to import your media. Navigate to where your files are stored on your PC and select the photo or video you want to use. Click Open. And just like that, your media has replaced the placeholder. Repeat this process for every placeholder clip in the template, dragging and dropping your content directly onto the timeline or using the import method outlined. Templates also come with pre-written text. To change it, simply double-click on the text element you want to edit in the preview window or select it in the timeline and look for the text editing options. Now you can type in your own captions, titles, or descriptions. You can also adjust the font, size, and color to match your style. Many templates include stickers, effects, and other visual elements. Click on these to see if they are customizable. You might be able to change their position, size, or even choose from different animation styles. Once you're happy with your personalized video, it's time to export. Click the Export button. Usually in the top right corner, choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and file name. And there you have it, a stunning, professionally edited video created in no time using a Capcut PC template. Experiment with different templates and customizations to make your content truly shine. Happy editing!